So let's continue to the agency dashboard. You'll see your payments with your agency, but first you have to connect Stripe. If you go to agency dashboard, you'll have a button to connect Stripe. And now it's going to be depending on if you already have an existing Stripe account or not. In my case, I already have, so I just need to click this button, go through the pop-up, and then log into my Stripe account. Here is some information. It's really important. First, why you need to connect Stripe. So if you use the unlimited plan, $300 per month, it gives you rebilling, reselling, and reporting. Rebilling and reselling is basically HighLevel is going to charge you after every email you send, every SMS you send, and on the $97 plan, you are going to cover it as the agency account. So maybe you sell a sub account for $10, but they send so many emails that it's actually costing you more than $10, so you are losing money. With the unlimited plan, you can rebill, resell, so you can make a profit actually on the emails instead of it costing you. And then on the Pro plan, you'll get the unlimited plan, everything inside, and then the SaaS mode, which I'll also talk about later. Now let's connect the Stripe account. As I told you, it's going to go to a pop-up, get started with Stripe, and then if you have an email address, just enter it to your existing Stripe account. If not, first you can create a Stripe account first. So you just go to Stripe and just register an account. Go to sign in. And then it's going to give you an option. If you are new to Stripe, create an account. Click that button. And then you can enter your email, full name, password, and country. So something I also didn't mention because you should have it before starting is you should have your company or be a solopreneur so you can actually enter your business information and your legal information. But you can also try it with the personal information first. But Stripe is going to verify your data anyway, so it's going to ask you for your ID. So enter your own information. It's really important. And then once you have it, you are going to create a new Stripe account dedicated to only your HighLevel earnings. All right, so just as an example, I'm in my main agency account where I already have Stripe integration connected. You see its name's GHL earnings. It's already verified and the payouts are connected. And you see your total pending balance. And then if I switch tabs, I can see my Stripe account, information for today. You see all the payments, gross volume, and then you see on the name I created this specifically for my HighLevel earnings. All right, that's all for today. In the description, you are going to find two links. The first is going to be my free Skool community, and it's completely free. And if you are looking for something more, there's a 14-day free trial to HighLevel, and it's also going to give you a free access to my paid community. So you can grab the free trial using the link in my description, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.